If you've ever wondered how to save and access drafts in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where CapCut stores your drafts on PC, how automatic saving works, and how to find your projects whenever you need to come back and continue editing. This is especially useful if you started a video, closed the app, and now you're trying to figure out where everything went. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, the good news is that in CapCut, saving is done automatically. That means you usually do not need to press a separate save button for your draft. As you edit, CapCut keeps track of your work so you can close the project and return to it later. This makes it much easier to work on videos and stages without worrying about manually saving every change. Now, to access your drafts, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're on the home screen. You can check this by looking at the left-hand menu. If you're not already there, click Home so CapCut takes you back to the main dashboard. This is the place where all of your recent work and saved projects are organized. Once you're on the home page, scroll down a little until you see the Projects section. Under this section, CapCut displays all of your projects, including the drafts you've been working on. If you started a video earlier, it should appear here as long as it was saved automatically in your account or local project list. From here, all you need to do is find the draft you want to continue editing and click on it. CapCut will reopen the project exactly where you left off, so you can keep editing, trim clips, add effects, adjust audio, or export the final video when you're ready. If you don't see your draft right away, just take another look through the projects area and make sure you're in the correct account or workspace. Sometimes users think a draft is missing, but it's usually just located in the projects list further down the page. So to recap, CapCut saves your work automatically, and you can access drafts by opening CapCut PC, going to Home in the left menu, and scrolling down to the Projects section where all your drafts are visible. That's the easiest way to find and continue your saved edits. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.